Okay, morning everybody. So this is an original Kandi charger. We suspected it was faulty because the unit wasn't charging. So, well, first of all, the ground pin was broken off. Wasn't too sure if that was going to cause an issue, but it doesn't. So I ended up repairing the cord, put a new connector on it and just made it the same as my Cowboy cord. And this is what started the whole problem off. So you get the gun, excuse me because it's just me on my own, so plug it in the charger. Okay, so we have the gun with the plug on the end of it. Get that off. Right. And Kandi Cowboy charging connector. Plug it in. Nothing happens. But you do get a click. It does click from under the seat, which is where the charger is. So if you wiggle it, it still doesn't make any difference. But that little clip, if you push that little clip up, it should charge, but it's not. Huh. Click. There it goes. And I've got it charging again. So it took me ages to figure out what was going on with this. So the button down, take the gun out, stops charging. Put this one in, it locks in place. Hear the click? Oh, now it's charging. But this button sometimes doesn't come up properly. And if it doesn't come up properly, the car will say it's charging, but it's not. It was the bizarrest fault I ever had. But it's just this one gun. I don't know why, and it's kind of not very easy to take apart. The button works like it should. Put it in, clicks. You see? And it's not charging again. It was strange. And it's this button. There it goes, click, and there I'm charging. So, take that one out, which was the one I repaired with the new connector. Let's put that away. This is my original one. So this one locks in, same thing, works perfectly, comes up every time. But this button doesn't stick as badly as the other one. It just plugs in, you hear it click. But the other one, you can do that, you hear it click, but this switch hadn't come up all the way. Like this one's, you know, just locked. It's very odd. But that was what the issue was. It took me, as I say, quite some time to figure it out, but finally got there in the end. So this is the same as some of the Kandi golf carts. It was actually a Kandi golf cart that had the issue. Replaced the charging cord and that sorted that out, but it just took me a while to figure out what was wrong with the cord. So maybe this will help somebody else out in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.